Alright everyone, this is a Sig Sauer 22. We're going to do a full disassembly and reassembly, just like if you were tearing it down to clean it. Got a rag, usually I use a white t-shirt. Got my F&P 10 Shooter's Choice lubricant. I'm not going to actually do the cleaning, I'm just going to show you what I do. First thing I always do is remove the mag, and this one does have rounds in it. So the next thing I'm going to do is lock the slide open. And that's this lever right here, and I'm going to ensure that there's no round in there. You definitely don't want a round in there when you're tearing this gun apart. Doesn't matter what caliber it is, it will still do damage. Next thing I always do is bring the slide back. As you can see, it's locked up there, ready to fire. So just to protect myself, I kind of hold the slide and then I bring this lever down and it releases the hammer. Slide this forward, and that unlocks the slide, and then you pull it back just a little bit and pull up, and it's going to come apart. So there you go. As you can see, this barrel stays on. Take your spring, pin, and you're going to take this piece, you're going to clean your slide, make sure you don't have any dirt on it, which I don't. Next thing, your pin or your spring pin, clean that all off. The barrel and the rest of your gun, you're going to do the exact same thing, clean everything off, and then you're going to take a 22 snake or a wire brush. You're going to go inside that barrel. You want that barrel nice and clean. You want to go up and down it as many times as it takes so you don't have any friction. Put a little bit of that lube in there, just a tad bit. Do the exact same thing, and then you're going to lube all your pieces just a little bit, very, very sparsely. You don't need that much. And then you're just going to wipe everything off, get any excess goop or grease on it off, and you're going to put it back together. So the first thing you do, slide your pin into your spring, put your spring back in there, like so. And you can go, let me double check, just make sure that you know that it can't go both ways. I'm going to try to do it backwards. And you're going to put this all back together. So, and you want to make sure your spring stays in that housing down here. And you're going to put this all back together. And as you can see, that doesn't go in, so you got to go this way. There, that looks better. So I'm just showing you that you can't put this gun together the wrong way. It won't let you. Slide her in. Put it all the way back in, and as you can see, it hasn't gone over. There you go. Now it's on. Oops. And then you're going to slide this back forward, like so. There you go. Lock it back forward. Gotta love 22s. And now that you got it racked in the back, you're going to do the same thing. I always lock the slide open just to verify no round in there. No round in there. You can pull that. Slide goes back. This is your other safety. And obviously I already checked. No round, and see how the hammer's back. It's still got another safety, so then you can pull that and it'll release the hammer. And now your gun is ready to go and be loaded again. That is a Sig Sauer 22.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about!